Tried to do it for you. Yes, sir, man. Yeah, you got it, man. Great job. Touchdown. Touchdown.
I'll take it.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Yes, sir.
Nice job, man. Great job. Nice job.
Yeah.
Yeah, B.
Yeah, Sprout.
Yeah, B.
Great job, fellas. That's some toughness. That's some toughness. Key plays right there. We had to have them. Barmore, 3 sacks. Pretty good. All right. Big kick, Chad. Big kick. Chad. Big throws, Daffy. Get us down there. DP. Defense. I mean, big play. Hey, fellas, on that it says Merry Christmas. Slate. Let's go, man.
Everybody in this locker room believes in who you are, man.
Good job,
You
Chad.
showed a lot of mental toughness tonight to bounce back and make that kick.
Good job, Chad. Yeah.
Now, I always think about something around Christmas time. And I remember when I was a youngster, when I thought about Christmas, I always thought about, what am I going to get? But as I've gotten older, I realize it's important to think about what I already have. And certainly tomorrow's a day that I'm going to think about all the things the good Lord has done for me, and I'm going to just be grateful. Love y'all. Merry Christmas. How do we feel about coming here and getting that Christmas Eve dub?